Hello students, today we will learn a new topic, that is matrices. What is a matrix? In simple language, matrix can be defined as an ordered rectangular arrangement of numbers or function. That means we are arranging numbers or functions in a rectangular ordered way. That is matrix, nothing else. That means a matrix is an ordered arrangement of numbers or functions. And this arrangement is in the form of rectangular array. That is it. And the question here is how the numbers and functions can be arranged in a rectangular array or in a rectangular way. To understand this concept, let us consider there is a 20 marks test is organized in your classroom for 3 subjects. And there are 3 students in your class. Suppose name of students are Rakesh, Samir, and third student is Om. Marks obtained by Rakesh on subject physics is 15. Marks obtained by Rakesh in subject chemistry is 12. And marks obtained by Rakesh on mathematics is 10. In the same way, marks obtained by Samir in physics is 13. In chemistry, he got 11 marks. In mathematics, he got 18 marks. And Om obtained 17 marks in physics, 20 marks in chemistry, and 16 marks in mathematics. This is the data we have. That means we arrange a number in a arrangement. That means we made an arrangement of marks obtained by certain student in particular subjects. And now we will learn how to convert this data into matrix. Now we can arrange this data as 15, 13, 17, 12, 11, 20, 10, 18, 16. We represented above data inside the square bracket. And this representation of the data is called matrix or matrices. And we denote any matrix with a capital alphabet. Suppose it is A. So here we got a matrix A in which numbers are arranged in a rectangular way. This is matrix. And this is how matrix is generated. Now let us understand the basic terminology associated with a matrix. Suppose we have a matrix A which can be denoted in a square bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the elements of this matrix. Now every entry in this matrix is called element. That means 3, 6, any of the entry, any of the individual entry can be called element matrix. Element of matrix. These horizontal entries are called row. This is first horizontal, so it is row 1. This is second horizontal entry, so it is called row 2. This is third horizontal entry, so it is called row 3. And vertical entries are called column. This is first vertical entry, so it is called column 1. This is column 2. And this is column 3. This is called row, and this is the concept of row and column in a matrix. So we understood what is element of matrix, what is row in a matrix, and what is column in a matrix. Then the next thing we will understand what is order of an matrix. The number of row and the number of column is called order of matrix. Suppose in this matrix A we have 3 rows, row 1, row 2, row 3. So here we will write 3 because number of rows are 3, and we have 3 columns. So we will write 3 cross 3. This will represent row and second number will represent column. And this representation of row and column of a matrix is called order of matrix. Order of matrix. Now we will see how to denote elements of matrix. In this case, this element is belong to first row and first column. So we will represent this element as A11. 1 for row, 1 for column. A11 is equal to 1. Position of this element is first row, second column. So we will denote A12 is equal to 2. Position of this element is first row, third column. So we will write A13 is equal to 3. This element, position of this element is second row, first column. So we will write A2 for row, 1 for column. A21 is equal to 4. Then this element, second row, second column. So this element can be represented as A22 is equal to 5. This element can be represented as second row, third column. So it is A23 is equal to 6. In the same way, this element is on third row and first column. So we will write A31 is equal to 7. This element, third row, second column. So it is A32 is equal to 8. This element, third row, third column. So it is A33 is equal to 9. This is how we represent any element of a matrix.